Okay, well, this is a new experience. The
Yes.
tow road there, you can't just go through with a motorcycle. They take debit cards. Oh my God. I'm gonna get a little,
This.
hey baby. Alright. Chesapeake Bay. Okay, I don't know anything about Chesapeake Bay.
This is the Ornery One, and you're watching our BC by BC 22 ride.
Yes, which is a border to border and coast to coast 11,000-mile ride, 2 different highways, all along the backwoods of America.
That's right. If you guys like motorcycle content, then you're at the right channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with your riding buddies. Oh yeah, let's get to it.
Like I said, we are coming over here to Ocean City, Maryland to start that 50 to ride across the country.
And it's so crazy because I've looked at a map for 3 months planning this, and yeah, we've never been here before, and it's just really cool to actually physically be here after planning and looking at it on a map for so long. Yeah, it's a pretty cool thing.
Yeah, I don't know what it is about a motorcycle on a bridge, but I always have to document it. Steph's always looking and saying, okay, we've got a cool bridge to go across. So really, at the end of the day, guys, it's the Atlantic Ocean. It goes into a bay, and we're crossing a bridge, and we're heading to the East Coast.
I'm going to look this up. Fun fact about Chesapeake Bay. Roughly 51 billion gallons of water enter the bay each day from the 100,000 streams, creeks, and rivers that feed it.
Holy cow.
So if you know anyone that's lacking water,
Inside joke.
yes indeed. But yeah, that's really cool. A person 6 foot tall could wade through almost 700,000 acres of the bay without being completely submerged. So the deepest part of the bay, called the Hole, is more than 170 feet deep. Wow, so this whole Chesapeake Bay, 700,000 acres of it, is not any deeper than 6 foot.
Wow, it's almost like the reef.
Kind of.
You know, the coral reef is so shallow. Of course, this is cold as hell. Couldn't grow any coral here. But still, I'm sure that they've used this. There's no telling the history. So we're doing booty drops across the country. And a booty drop is basically a geo drop that we're doing. And I've been watching a lot of pirate stuff. I always love the Goonies. Look how slow that big ass plane's flying. But so there's no doubt about it that they've came up in here, pirates.
This is another thing. So only about half of the water here in the bay, and that's on our left here, the bay, only half of the water comes from the ocean, which is right here on our right. This is the Atlantic Ocean. So only half of its water actually comes from here in the ocean. The rest of it comes from 64,000 square mile watershed, which extends approximately 524 miles from Copperstown, New York to Norfolk, Virginia.
So is this side a bracket water where it's ocean, and I wonder if it's
I guess it would be freshwater and saltwater mixed.
Which, if you've ever had saltwater fish, which we've had coral and clownfish, all that kind of stuff like that, there's a bracket fish which does really well in lower salinity. So I'm curious to see. We'll do some research and look into it later. But once again, things that Steph and I are learning on the road as we go. This is what it's all about, guys. If you're watching the Ornery One channel, you're watching it because we love doing this, and this is what we're very passionate about, is getting out and exploring our country.
And looky here, we just went over the bridge, and now we're going in the tunnel. So we're actually going, what? You think we're underwater, or now we're under land?
Wow. Now I'm sure people that live here, this isn't so amazing, but for me, it's kind of a big deal. You can't help it but do a little chrome work sound off, little custom dynamic Pro Beast horn. Woo, that loud. It just smells so exhausted. Holy shit, that big rig looked like it was about 6 inches from the top of this tunnel.
Isn't that crazy?
Oof. Oh yeah, there's the light at the end of the tunnel. That's what we want, mama. If you guys haven't already subscribed to our channel, would you go ahead and do that? It'd really help us out and make our hearts full. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, tap that bell so you'll know when Steph releases a new video. All of that we'd appreciate. You can find all of this and more on our social media platforms. We post daily on stories, reels, and Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Y'all come follow us on all of our social media platforms. Here we're coming out of the tunnel, y'all.
Yeah, so we were actually going underwater. Look how cool that is.
Oh shit. Our hearts needed this.
Yes.
This is healing, guys. This is what motorcycles are all about. It's not just getting on your bike, running to a bar, or just having one sitting in your garage. Guys, get out and ride your motorcycles. It'll heal you. Wow. I could do this all day. It does kind of remind me of going across Lake Pontchartrain going into New Orleans.
Right? And that is the ocean. That is the motherfucking Atlantic Ocean.
This is probably the farthest north we've seen the Atlantic.
Yes.
No, we didn't go up there.
We did see the Atlantic when we went to Maine.
Okay. Okay.
Just a slight, like a slight bit.
Yeah.
Recording.
So we're fixing to come onto an island called Fisherman's Island. And it's just this right here, and over there will be coming off of it. The island is not that big. It's crazy. So
I believe we'll be going from Virginia into Maryland here in just a minute.
well, that was Fisherman Island, y'all. We have now checked that off our list. And that's pretty big, I mean, to us. Here we are, guys. We're just a couple of hillbillies from the Ozarks there in Arkansas, getting on two wheels and cutting across the country. Don't you shit, Seagull. Don't you shit on us, Seagull. Seagull. Oh, man. Do we want to go look over there?
Sure.
Hang on, y'all. Let me go check this out. It look like we can cross, and it's safe and really freaking convenient.
Kind of reminds me of Battleship. And then over here, it's going to be the opposing team.
Yeah. Oh, geez, I'm hooked up with my Senna, babe.
Yeah.
Senna was going dead. Steph plugged
Oh,
me.
gosh. You're really... Okay, there you go.
Quick little spot to pull over and look at the Chesapeake Bay. Right over there to the left where you see the bridge, if you can. That's the Atlantic. Pretty sweet.
Recording.
It's Ocean City, Maryland. We made it.
Yeah, it's 7:30. It's been a hell of a day. I mean, we started by going by Custom Dynamics and hanging out with David, Megan, and Karen.
Yes, we were there until about 1 o'clock, and then we started making our way over here. And,
Wow.
yeah, it's been a nice ride, too. The weather's been great. Not too hot, not too cold. It's been perfect.
Pretty cool. I'm gonna
Yeah.
pop my lid so I can see a little better. Steph, she's got us a room down here, okay? So once again, Steph on the fly as we're going finds us somewhere to stay. We're rolling up in here not ever been here. So our first impressions you're fixing to see, I mean, I can tell you right now, it is a little touristy. There's not a little to it, it is. But that's to be
Yes.
expected.
And being in Florida so much for Daytona Bike Week and Biketoberfest, this reminds me of the strip there in Florida. And it's, it's Bayside, it's on the ocean, and it is touristy. Lots of hotels, lots of stuff to eat, see, and do. I know we came in on Highway 90. We actually passed Highway 50 that we're going to start tomorrow morning for Highway 50 all the way out to California. And we did have the option of coming in Highway 50, but I want to save all that for tomorrow. So we actually came in, like I said, Highway 90, and we're heading down to the end of this little strip. So in the morning, we'll get up, head to California via Highway 50.
Yeah, San Francisco will be western bound. Once again, guys, this is 2022 BCBC, so we started a hashtag BCBC22. And a lot of people ask us, where do you need to go when you ride a motorcycle? I've been telling everybody, just go enjoy yourself on your bike, and don't worry. I tell everybody, go do the touristy stuff, go do it, and then jump off and go find something else to do. Don't get all caught up in what everybody tells you to do. Do your thing. Everything's up and going. Fuel prices right now are a little high. Steph and I have been using the app, saving ourselves a little bit of money, which that is the perks of having two up, because Steph can be back here looking all this stuff up as driving Miss Daisy.
Yeah, that was one thing that we were talking about, is the app is really good if you're in a car, if you are going to a certain destination that you're familiar with. But as far as traveling on the road and riding a motorcycle, you can't really plan ahead as far as your gas stops. So it is nice that I'm back here and I'm able to pull it up and be like, no, let's go ahead and go 10 more miles up here, because that's the gas station that's on the app. The app does save you gas per gallon that you buy. However, it's not every single gas station that participates in it. It's only a few here and there on the app. So you do have to do a little planning ahead, figure out which ones participate, which ones don't.
Which, if you have somebody riding two up, they can do that as you're going. Once again, guys, right now temperature's 87 degrees. We're in Ocean City, Maryland. We're riding a 2022 Limited that we put a special ass in, so we call it a Limited Special or Special Limited. This is the big bore. We're running a 131, and we did a build on this bike this spring. They're at Pig Trail Harley Davidson. They're in Rogers, Arkansas. If you'd like to go see more about this bike and the videos, look down our library. It is called the Big Board Build Series. They're on YouTube. We had a lot of fun with our family at Pig Trail and friends. And it will break everything down what's on this bike. And
Krabby Patties. Oh wow, it's coming right up here. It's breaking over.
Wow, it smells like seafood. Like literally like.
What would you say? Go out there and fall in it like usual. Guarantee you she's gonna get wet before it's over.
Gosh.
Well,
We just had our boots dried.
we did have our boots dry from the rain yesterday, but now apparently
Now it's the Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, my boots are soaked. Well, I just said you're gonna fall in, and then me and you turn around like dorks to get our video and our picture, and I'm absolutely soaked. Jesus. Let's see.
I guess it's my fault because I said come out here, honey. I'm sorry.
I was standing. Oh yeah. God, these are my only clean pair of pants. My other ones are
Okay.
still wet from the
Next to
rainstorm.
Burger King over here after you get your cheeseburger because the bougie restaurant we ate at was not your cup of tea.
Yeah.
We'll go see if maybe we can find a Dollar General or Walgreens or
Oh my
something.
gosh.
Okay.
It's so
Let's go
pretty
get
though.
dry.
Look at it.